Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I am also doing well. So today is a new vlog and welcome to my vlog as I've said it already. Oh God. So yeah, so you can see my hair is like bleached and it's quite natural, not natural, it's light brown in color and somewhere you can see the color is red, brown, coral, whatever. But today I'm gonna dye my hair with a shampoo hair color that my father has gotten from a medical store, because I'm feeling that when I bleached my hair, and when I bleached my hair length was a bit longer. Then I made it really short because I don't know what is the reason, but I had made it really short. So now I'm feeling that with the brownish short hair I'm not looking good, so I want to make it complete black. So let's see how it works. So I'm gonna dye my hair with this thing. So let's start. Okay, so it says put on gloves, pour the mixture into hand and spray it thoroughly. Apply to dry hair, spray it evenly and massage for 3 minutes and wait for 10 minutes, then rinse like regular shampoo. Okay, let's start doing it. Okay, so right now I'm taking a chunri. A Bajja chunri means a chunri that is not useful anymore. So I'm using this because I'm feeling afraid of having black patches on my body, hair, shoulder, neck, wherever. So let's start. Let's see what is there in this. I have used this as well before. Not this particular thing, but I've used shampoo hair color before. Oh, so I have to cut this down. Where is the Kanchi? So guys, I'm done with applying the hair color on my hair, but I have done the exactly thing that I was being afraid of, and that is dyeing myself. You can see the color I have applied on my skin as well, unintentionally, but yeah, what can I do? And I have to keep this for 10 minutes, then I have to wash it like a shampoo. So let's do what I want to do. I want to eat some cheese balls. It's not balls, but something made of cheese. I bought this from a nearby store. So let's eat this. And I was studying ratio and proportion chapter for quantitative aptitude, and let's from a YouTube channel. So I also have joined an institute, but I feel the YouTube channels are doing the best, so I am preparing for that as well. So let's start studying again. You know what, I just took shower in 11:45 and now it's 12:20. I have done this again on my hair, so I have again take shower. So I am doing mess. I'm a rebel. I can do anything, anytime, whatever I want to do. I just have to do this. I know. So yeah, let's start reading.
तो यूनिक नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होता है ना.
So it's been 20 minutes and I studied a bit in 20 minutes how much I could do. I've studied, and look at my feet. I made disaster. And look at my forehead. Oh God, oh God. अरे हाथ का तो look, this is not removing. I don't know what will I do. Okay, so let's go take shower and then I'm coming back to you guys. What did I just say? Let's go take shower and I will be coming back to you all guys. Bye bye. So guys, I'm done with coloring my hair up. It's black. You can see it's black. Okay, so in the very inner portion it might not be very black because it was in very small amount, but yeah, the outer part is quite black. You can see here is a bit of brown, but okay, fine. And now I'm gonna go study. So there is no more vlogging right now. For now, lunch it's 1 p.m. After 2 p.m. I'll be seeing with you all. Tata. Hello guys, so I have come again. I have completed my studies. I took my shower and I had my lunch. I had poha in my lunch, which my cook made absolutely nicely. And now I'm gonna go to my bedroom and have a nap, or maybe I'll just lie down on bed and scroll social media. And yeah, you can see my hair color. It's completely black and I'm loving it. And also I gave a mock test today of reasoning. That was not pretty well, but okay. Practice makes everything perfect. So let's go. I'm going to be lying down on bed now. So guys, it's 4:20 o'clock and I'm going downstairs because I couldn't take the nap, but I was just lying down on bed. And yeah, now I'll be sitting to study, and then nothing. Maybe I'll go shopping. So let's see what happens. But first, I want to drink a lot of water. Oh, trust me, guys. The thirst of water can be filled up by nothing. Guys, I forgot to film the vlog, and it's now 6:30, and I have drunk my Horlicks. I was actually craving for coffee, but then I ended up with having Horlicks. Chai is something I don't prefer to drink every day. That is why this happened. And now I'm keeping a bit of water into the cup so that the excess, whatever is there in the cup, becomes wet and they come out easily. Chalo. Now I'm gonna go and sit to study again. So it's 6:30. Maybe I'll be reading for 8:30. Then I'll be again coming to you guys and talk to you. So till then, bye bye. See you at 8:30. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I didn't go with my father for the shopping. My Jijaji and my father, they both have gone for shopping. And do you know what they have gone for buying? Sari. All the best to them. So chalo. It's not all the best. Fingers crossed. This is all the best. Chalo, all the best. This is the, oh, I'm doing messed up something. Okay, chalo, bye bye. मैं 8:30 को तुम लोगों को देख रही हूँ. Guys, I couldn't read for 2 hours. It's 8:10, and on 7:30 p.m. I just come over and went to the bed and just trying to sleep because I'm feeling very tired. To be very honest, I don't have that habit to study this much after my college. Not college, after my 12th. So this is being a bit tough. So I'm just now lying on bed. I'm feeling sleepy, very sleepy. So I'll be going for dinner at 9:30. So see you that time. I know I'm showing you a very boring vlog, but nothing to do. I'm sorry. I just thought to share with you something with you all. Sometimes you feel very disgusting, you feel exhausted, and you know that whatever is happening in your life is not the way you wanted it. And right now I'm going through such a phase of my life that I never even imagined of, never even thought of, because it's completely now far from whatever I have thought or I could imagine actually. Hello guys, so I'm done with having my dinner, and I ate rice, dal and sabzi, aloo ki sabzi in my dinner. So right now I again will sit to study because a video I'm watching of ratio and proportion, and that video I have to complete. That video is of 3 hours and some minutes, so I have to complete that maybe 1 more hour is left. So, and today I ate a lot in the dinner, so I'm not feeling good. So I thought that I'll be sitting here on the chair and table, and then I'll be sitting and studying. So I think this is it about my day. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. So I hope you guys liked it watching the video. So if you guys have liked it, enjoyed it, so please give it a thumbs up and click on the share button and leave a comment if you like and how much you have liked it. So that's for it now. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.